Otherwise ntwana yo.
Ne.
Sedi. Nangale out ko shibane kamala le out there.
Credo mama.
Who? Yeah, I noticed. Yeah. You noticed that it's strong? Yeah, something.
Olo. Ola.
We on 31. This is 31. 32 is tomorrow. Podcast episode 31. Action. Yes. Atata bele re lokisa action board ya rona ke sono yo. Ya khamisa mina. Okay, mfethu yebo it's your boy Staff mfana se 1475. Re tswere swe ka mo swe.
Bafana.
When I feel the episode tsa ho dia hana.
It's true. Episode number 3.
This is the third one and also a relay one.
Ish.
Last week in re shootwa ke
Agri ba busy ka shashala.
Yeah, ba busy ka mai.
Camera.
Nick, sikwatele mfethu. The voice.
Hi guys.
The voice is back, guys.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I know that you guys waited for me. Thank you for waiting for me.
Yacaba mfethu. Otherwise anything interesting?
I missed you guys.
Can rena re intro bana.
Emanyane, the voice santsana bu. Emanyane. Atlo over chance ya hao. Sizoxosha wena.
Nekelo hopo guys. Anything interesting? Nothing other than the fact that I got a job and I work on weekends.
Hey, Satutu. Yeah, Mara, you're gonna quit that job soon.
Which one?
When we trend here.
Fun fact, I might, but.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, no.
Yo, okay. No, that's too much for the first few seconds of the episode.
We'll talk about it.
Yeah. My brother. Intro nyana something.
Jugi swera bi mfana touch line ulolo ke halala. Hey, dango ba fit.
Shashala zifikile namhlanje.
Juga jino ngidleka yona mfana.
Shashala. Oh, bafethu pretty boy last week beyanga khona. This week ukhona. Ngu busy la. Asimazi wenzani lapha. Uya set up for event or uyaganga. Hey, he's doing a lot this guy today. But then hey, otherwise ntwana yo.
Ne.
Sedi. Nangale out ko shibane kamala le out there.
Credo mama.
Who? Credo V Daniels. Marantana, that's so Untana uses AI for his vocals, ne?
Yeah.
That's why.
Probably the whole song is AI, even the beats, I'm sure maybe.
No, I don't think the beats are.
You think so?
Everything about that shit is AI.
You know what Stuff is saying? Because I thought maybe like he couldn't find like the right vocalist or he didn't want to pay or anything.
Yeah.
The beats are his and then he just added AI vocals. That's what
No, you know what's I think
he recorded himself and then used
AI to polish the voice.
Yes, to polish.
And
because now, as I understand where it's coming from. Finding a vocalist is hard these days. So, you know.
But this nigga dog, if not, he knows he can't sing, right?
Yeah.
Should have organized the Lego TV, at least by the auto tune.
Now, you know, auto tune, if you come with your laptop,
yeah.
A feature, a Kenya mic, the setup place now,
yeah.
I can via the laptop. Ask AI to help him actually sharpen the settings auto tune. Good, it sounded almost the same. He would have survived. Auto tune.
Yeah.
Oh, he
Future.
could- okay, he could have just.
aka
Rowdy Rich.
a lot of these artists ama-mic wabo auto-tuned mfethu angazi yena ukuthi inkinga yakhe ibekuphi Seri la like i-backup singer yakhe ibiqulwa ngcono lani yena
Yo,
Joe.
boy, that video trended, boy. I bona lena kitse ke bona. Jesus Christ.
Oh, but the funniest one, yes, two vele.
Yo.
Which one is it? I only saw
second one.
I only saw the one last endabeni khona.
Yeah.
That's the second one.
I
What is the
saw
first one?
There's another one.
Was he sitting down?
No, I think it was a live performance or
He was
something.
at I forgot the place in Pretoria. What's the place? Hard
Drama.
Rock, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Oh yeah. On that note, abantu abaculayo ne.
Yeah.
Shout out to Look Deep. This guy I worked with via Barry King Ledingen. Shaba Music Ilian. He's going to perform today.
Ooh, go
He's
to the
performing
event.
my song, dog.
What? You have a song?
Yo, what's up? Check me out on Spotify, boy.
Nigga, I told you to give me those songs. Even now you haven't, man.
Which one?
I told you, Mosori, you must give me the lock tune. So I
Oh
can-
yeah, no look tunes I'll give you. King. But performer guy go Mr. Nice Planet, go Zola, sent in.
Yeah.
So now he's performing there today, Vele, today.
He's gonna come
He
here
sent me
after.
the post. Nah, he's not coming. Uhlale so we tuntwana feel.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought you said he's gonna perform at the event.
Nah. He went to an event as sent in.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's performing there, Fade. He's gonna be performing
Shout out
there
to
as
the
well.
bro- you think,
Yeah, Look Deep.
Shout out to Look Deep.
Yeah, we have a deep house
Represent the
song.
Bafana.
Yeah, check it out on Spotify. King Steady Love.
Steady Love.
Yeah.
It's your song.
Yeah, I produced the beat, Fade.
You made the beat.
Produced.
You
It's
didn't
not
pro-
making, it's producing. Oh man, making is
A
like
producer is not someone who makes beats. No, dog.
what is a producer?
A producer is someone who composes and
That's what I did.
you made the beat.
The whole thing, I produced it.
Yeah, I produced the song. Don't say I produced the beat.
Okay, I produced the song, yeah.
Yeah, how?
Mareta mukora I produced the song. It sounds like Nkaro Mapurisa. Yenza ka so boy, yenza ka so. Yeah,
Hey,
So what's your
Olubori.
point?
yeah, what is Puso's point? Like
My point is someone who creates beats is not a producer.
what is he?
You are a beat maker.
What?
Ah man. And please comment on below nishele ukuthi kwenzakalani. Oh, and anyway guys, let me address this ne. Has press subscribe. I cost in a cent.
You boy must like and subscribe.
Wow, like subscribe. Like,
Share.
press subscribe, Joe.
Subscribe.
How
It's like 10 seconds of your time
not even 10
10
seconds.
seconds is too much.
It's too much.
for you to like.
Just
Subscribe
just
and
pressing.
share.
No. Before liking and everything, just press subscribe.
And then we'll relax.
Yeah.
We're gonna show up and then you like and share.
Yeah.
Oh.
Even if you don't share, algorithm yazivumela manje like. Hayi yazivumela no.
No, I saw. Your things are flying there by
Yeah,
the
they're popping up everywhere. Joe.
Everywhere.
My mom always watches what's this on TikTok. Abu abantu besonto nan. She was like, ke karabo monsieur. I'm like ngivela ku FAP ya mom. Nah, dog. And we don't even follow each other, Joe.
You are within.
That's
You
the
guys
thing.
must follow my
My
mom on
parents are
TikTok.
subscribed to the channel.
Oh yeah?
I-
Antona, shout out to your rents, dog. Yeah.
Shout out to me. I'm the one who
You plugged them.
I saw you needed some.
Ah.
Come there.
Oh, konje ubani? Ufoslo Kid ne? Ufoslo Kid was on what's this what was it? In Leah podcast. Yeah, New School podcast. They started their podcast. Yini kon channel yakhona new it's a Newtown FM. Yeah, guys. Ntwana mncane we are shooting baba. Lo muntu ufuna ushaya inamba. Waseni. Hayi. Liyashayela lo. Say, hayi baba.
What the fuck?
This guy, Prayo.
nigga.
Nah, that was pretty boy. Uyaporeka vele siyamazi. We hosting an event. Konjini winter exclusives.
Winter exclusives.
Yeah, winter
Mara,
exclusives.
asibheke.
No flop. Yeah, so we're hosting today. For those of you who didn't make it, Askisi, it was a private event. In a private event.
Yeah, it's
So
a private
yeah.
Surprise,
Surprise. Senzobona ngama live mix online.
Whatever.
Yeah.
That's the meme ya Conor McGregor. It's like, surprise, motherfucker. The king is back.
Oh yeah, feel ke bona yeah. No, that guy tang. Ukana McGregor yang shaya. Ishaya shapaka big dick energy, you know, like
Or who's Conor McGregor?
he's a UFC fighter.
It's
What is
winter
UFC?
exclusive, my guy.
Winter exclusives.
What is UFC?
UFC? Ultimate Fighting Champion, ne? King UFC.
Don't know.
What does UFC stand for? Ultimate Fighting Champion, right?
All right.
Yeah.
And what
So UFC is like Bashayana. It's like boxing, mara
MMA,
kickboxing,
What is-
MMA
what
type of
is-
shit.
NFL.
NFL is basketball. What the fuck?
It's not basketball. It's football.
Oh, NFL is football. Sorry.
Ke
man.
rugby ya kwa America.
Rugby ya kwa America. Ah, vele. Mara, okay, which one is more brutal, vele? Football or rugby?
Rugby.
Rugby, ne?
I think
boy.
rugby, bro.
Rugby, bro.
football.
But there's no protective gear there,
It
boy.
has to be rugby.
But amathekile waku football. Banokuthekila mid-air, dog. Omunye
If
kushaya
it's rugby,
inyawo.
you can get tackled mid-air.
Nah. Uzolethe brutal kanjani ne? Uthi catch iball ya jump. Khona kushaya inyawo, khona ukuthekila on top. So basically uyi sandwich well.
Either way, dog, you're wearing something to protect yourself.
I think rugby.
Even the helmets, yeah. I think rugby is too
Rugby,
brutal.
Rugby is
Rugby
brutal.
bagqoka i-vest and ama-pads kuphela like. That's it.
Why do people
They
even
call
play
pads.
rugby? It's so
Yeah?
dangerous.
Yeah, it's called pads, not pads like pads.
Pads.
Crush pad.
It crush pads.
yeah.
Ah, juga.
Crush pad ya parang kere ko cricket. Kon tabayifaka la.
Oh, they. Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. Rugby,
You got
they
people
have-
le cricket.
So when I go rugby, or
Nope.
rugby, it's just
Rugby
going solo.
nokubona noma sebagijima no.
Ah, what the fuck, my boy?
Yeah, tangasikazi. But then yeah, rugby is more brutal.
Ah, rugby.
I think rugby.
Because I've seen cabanga uzothekile umuntu olingana noSiya Kolisi jo.
This is why you need to be.
Yeah.
Me,
Amara
Kolisi.
Siya Kolisi is better mbonambi dog. Le shanga intamo yengawa.
Imagine being a skinny nigga going and playing rugby.
Ngikonje ubani le?
But in
That's
rugby,
why uKolbi retired. Ayibonile
Bakhona.
nayo.
Bakhona, but
I mean,
some high
if I go there, they'll break me in half.
Yeah, no. They will break you bro.
But at least I'll make more money.
From getting broken.
It's on a little ref.
Itheng ref ya rugby.
I think you're gonna for it.
Phela lapho awushayiswa imoto lapho ushayisa ibhasi.
Because that you
Rugby.
Those are the-
Awushayiswa imoto. There's this thing there it bounce like when you collide. And then go one way out once you have makubheke like yabona u.
Yo. Imagine if
Umoya uyaphela. Ikubhekile le bar.
Imagine if they show your stuff back in mid-air, they show
The sandwich.
Yeah,
Rugby.
mid-air, and then all the parts, and then they all come on top of you.
That's what happens, vele. When you fall, they have to fight for the ball. They don't care if you uphethe seizure. Abanandaba
you die, my
I
boy.
played rugby for like 2 weeks of my life.
2 weeks.
And then first team yahamba yadlala i-friendly match yabo. I-first team yasesikela sami yava yadlala like their first match of the season.
Hey, you didn't go.
Nah, the bookie first team. I was playing for the under 17s.
Oh, okay.
Khona le outside there like there's this big guy from my school besimbiza ngoFreaky ne. uFreaky wabuya indlebe yakhe incaphukile impumulo
Don't lie.
iphukile. First match of the year, Joe. I was like, nah, this is not mine.
Don't lie.
Ngihamba ngaba goalkeeper futhi.
Awuyela back ebhola.
Abuyele ebholeni kade anqono nyovimba.
I never
What
played
about
sports at high
goalkeeper?
school.
Yeah, I'm a goalkeeper dog.
Awulazi, boy.
Mina ntanga ngiyatshela ukhune if yabona if bengisikazi ngene into yokuthi ngidlala ibhola. Nginyemezela amasimba.
Wah, wah, wah.
Buza uPridi ngeke amvimba ngithi uyadlala sonke la elokushini. Wena awukazi unkore.
Bengidlala noBridi mos mina ibhola.
Wena busa nawe uhlaba
Uyazi,
sports.
this is the team.
Ubusiwazi ibhola?
Yo.
Wena busa ungathi wazi ama-
Ayifani naye.
Ayifani naye.
Ayifani naye.
Sesi, le gama olibizayo mo.
Oh, uswe yeah, uswe.
My name is Sway, bro.
Eish, askis.
Angazi
Mahlathi
amantombazane,
has to bleep it ke.
Sar swag, sar.
Tamale uyibleep boy.
Sar.
Mr. Maneli, sir.
Ah, ithi ngimtsheleni ke.
Sar.
Ithi ngixoxeleni. How? Abantwana babantu bathi overflight bathi baye eZimbabwe.
What happened?
Abantwana babantu. Angifuni ukuba mention ngamagama yabo. Bacofa iflight. Bathi baye eZimbabwe baya perform. Yabo. Bafika lapha baplaka istage yonke into nsing mama mic check. Mase kumele ba perform khona hayi ntwana bathe for second trail nini.
No, but I didn't know because it was there, but they're not supposed to know. Everybody was
Oba
talking
labo.
about it.
Mafika izolo.
My physical.
Mafika izolo.
Because of this match and match.
Yeah. I didn't know even the president of Nigeria is fighting with us. Good, my people died there.
That
Who
nigga.
died?
Let's try la akahlali na ku country yakhe lo muntu.
Imagine,
Yeah,
I'll
he's
come
the
to Nigeria
president
when
of-
I find the time. or
Wait,
something like
wait.
that. He said that.
I-Nigerian president ayihlala eNigeria.
Ayihlali Nigeria boy.
Uhlala kuphi? La eSouth Africa ne?
Nah, I don't know. USA.
He's like,
Yes,
uzoya Nigeria when he finds the time.
He president ngaleso sikhathi, but he's not in the country. As we
But it makes sense. No Burna Boy akahlali khona.
It's not the same.
Burna Boy is not a president.
It's not the
He's an
same.
artist.
He's an icon though.
How
Yabona
do
nathi
you- how
icon
do you
yethu
know
ayihlali
his-
la.
How do you know his struggles about back when you're not in there with them?
But then even if ngida I won't struggle like them.
Because you're president.
Yeah.
and everything, but it's better uzibonele.
La man akayazi Phothule.
Yahlala.
uRamaphosa akayazi Phothule. That's why bangalungisi itrata zethu.
Akayazi.
Oy.
Oy, yeah.
uRamaphosa o tsamaya ka di-freeway mona ka di convoy tsa dikoloi tse 19 man.
I've seen them. The time Saplo Mapitori.
Yeah.
Convoy ya Ramaphosa.
Exactly.
Massive.
Black cars boy.
Massive.
Yeah.
How many cars, Boma?
A
lot.
And then he's like,
He's in the
yeah, no,
middle,
he's
bro.
always in X7.
Yeah, X7 a black in the middle.
Then ulandela
Damn,
amanye.
they block roads.
Manje babiza ngani presidential what?
There's a chopper even.
What babiza ngani presidential cishe ngathi sweet.
Entourage.
Yeah, boy, convoy. Presidential convoy,
but
not
that's
entourage.
dope, man.
Yeah.
Entourage king kan.
Yeah.
King entourage.
Entourage ke batho ba latelang
Entourage
yabona staff skala le podcast hanga ba famous la bantu bahlala nami entourage yami
Ikukuranch.
Oh.
yes
Oh, Gunguraj.
Entourage king manje
Kyo na crowd ya.
oh
Cratch.
Yeah.
oh crutch
Gunguraj.
ekhinya lo oh mara what's your take on this thing yes Zimbabwe like it's not
Yabo mafikizolo.
yeah
Oh,
I'm sure by a
ipola.
funeral. Oh, Paul.
Paul.
Ipola,
I
yes.
thought by a funeral.
The Zimbabwe thing, boy. One thing I'm gonna say is the Zimbabwean. You see the people back in Zimbabwe, they fucking weird for that. Cause why? Runa, what we're saying is, Mumzant, pata mapepa, uzo
Yeah.
so that if it happens, you are committing a crime.
oh you are mad
Yeah, sikwazi ukantensify fast. So if you don't have papers and you come and you shoot me, mahlathi your staff bakuthola kuphi?
on that note like khona umuntu engimaziyo abambulalile bekanga namaphepha akusu no Chris konje naye ne maka before sika ku Chris wait
No, crazy boy.
le athi yami lebe isebenza la eKawash fair yabo angifuni ukisho igama lakhe
Kawash, which one? The big tree Kawash or
le main road uma ebrother ubulala imeli yakhe hlof angicela wena
Yeah.
hawu ulavi court case ungafika bathi ubulale bani lo bathi ubulale umunye asimazi negama lakhe hawu okay uphumile manje
I'm kidding. I.
oh mara okay ubulale bani
Oh, mara still. If I was in the same situation, Gapora,
awuthiya kanhle esinandi pampiri
I would have been jailed, my dog.
yeah that's GBV uncle now I'm saying if you kill like you re ke wena o bulaile Chris oh o batla go bulaile mang Chris ke mang how do we know ukuthi kamala kala mampela lelo
You're not
His
getting my
point
point.
is,
Mina kithi, akiri.
mina githi
What I'm saying is that girl killed the bro. I get it.
yeah
So what I'm saying, if situations were reversed, the bro is the one who killed the girl, but the girl ibe and the person was going to
yeah
the bro would have still went to jail.
I thought.
I doubt
We would have. I'm telling you.
yeah mara it's considered as GBV that's the thing GBV in this
Why
class
is it not GBV digenda here?
Dikent bulaile motho o sa nang pampiri
Hey, I get it.
it's like stealing a car that doesn't have a license
You don't
disc
get
Joe.
my point. It's like Lena killing someone as Nandi Pambir. Kibulai anegente doesn't have papers, but it's GBV.
But it's never been done before. Try it. You want and boy,
It's GPV either way.
that's the thing, yeah.
Brother, me, I'm scared of jail.
What's up, Nechel?
Aye. Zuli Torwa.
Maritronk is not that bad, yes.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
You know what's the cone?
It's not kuma live manje.
Yeah, bakhona baku live, yeah.
Ishaya boma beef lipapa.
Yeah.
Nini shaya mixed veg li.
Yeah.
You know what?
means meat.
It's not everyone who get those privileges. Go
Yeah,
check.
mara na uzo
Konje.
everyone ngithi.
There's this girl I was with. Uthi ushelwa umuntu osejele.
Yeah,
Kayla.
these niggas.
Oh. Nah, not Kayla, not Kayla.
Kayla. I was gonna
Nah,
say.
it's a recent endeavor that I was on. Ungibonise ku status sakhe like uthi sejele like bahlele egarinini like bayaplanta la like kumnandi ejele
iphethe smartphone.
yeah
Oh, uyas-upper vele.
that guy is even texting the girl then
Ngithi
Prison
uyas-upper.
is
Do you
not
see
that
how
bad.
big this thing is? Meli up with that thing. Ngiyazi yini uku-up.
oh shit I don't think asefaka amagadi no ntwana
Amagada.
kulethela ntwana ngiyabonga for le
Hayi,
3000
meli u-up nje yami. Phela
So
amagada
imagine
atshintshi.
woo ifone engaka mara obvious nalo bantu abangaphakathi bashaya zikhona lezi wozala
yeah. Amnantwana ngamaningi shona.
yeah nami vele I was telling the
Uthi
people the same thing.
ndoda umuntu azongishaya i-virgin hole yami.
Yeah,
Hayi,
nah.
uzongikhaca ubutshitshi bami enduli. Never days.
yazi zikubamba kanjani leziya
Nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'd bite a nigga's dick, boy.
usemoyeni ka
angibuleleni
I mean,
kill me
you in the air
how do you know?
itu
wazelaphi yini ko yenza
I've heard people telling me these things yabo itu sho ukuthi yeah other providers are holding your arms that side
isikhula lo kabhiza kuhlaba ibuso
holding your legs this side
I think those are Abu Atsotis getting.
mhlawumbe ungene I think bakenza kanjalo uma ungene nge-rape
ayahluka amajele kunemjele wama-criminals like criminal
angithi wena uthi
bese
ungabona
kunemajele wamithetho lapho-ke you don't just get massified
ewa
lapha abakumassify mangabe wena ubusy
no you know what's the thing
Awulingi
every jail
ukuthi
bare every jail is the same niyacaba what's the
Nah,
difference
nah, nah.
na uma ungaphakathi khona ama-section
eh
oh kunama-section
yeah there's a part where like bafake lezi serious bese khona thina nabo
C-section.
buso laba esishaya fraud
section no way C-Max uthi C-Max sorry
but that shandis it happens to everyone like abantu bangafuni ukuphisana
ejele bathi bakujinja mangabe uthanda izinto manje kunikeza ugwayi wawuthatha kumele ungibhadale nemali ngisafuna ugwayi ngifuna
ukunika ugwayi
gwayi yes I wanna give you another gwayi
yeah
understand
sambe siya
maka bafethu we've never been to jail akumele ngasikhulube ngalento ngathi siyayazi
mina ngiyasaba ijele
also I think that's why ngingasithothi like nginayo mentality yomuntu onga like ongaba successful ehastini ne mara ngihlala ngicabanga ukuthi Mudima guys example kana like
yo boy
yeah like avela
I hate to be the
mbambeni
example
Yeah,
you see now my mission yakabophilo is to make as much money as possible and avoid jail
yeah
two nje nginama mission ayi-2 empilweni kwenza imali avoid ne jail
So ungayenza imali ngendlela ezi, but the main point is don't get caught.
everybody
get
gets
caught.
caught sheba madlanga commission wa level la
oh Kate Matlala
Is
ubonile
what?
wa confess
Yonkin.
don't have fight
and right now he's taking out people no
yeah
abo Brian Mkhotsi khona leyo mlungu lena yo he's taking out everyone yeah Brian Mkhotsi utubula imoto yakhe yeah allegedly
Allegedly.
because
There's a
yeah
lady who says umbonile mos. She was watching as it was happening.
uzofa lo sis
but what I'm saying that in case ya Kate Matlala she's not gonna sing now babata like baba king plea deal is it a plea deal
Oh, yeah,
he wants
yeah.
a plea deal
yeah he's busy working on it right
no
now
he hasn't taken it because
Akakayithathi.
amaloya wakhe bathi makakhipha yonke into bamgaye like 8 years
Yeah.
laba bayidispute ukuthi 8 years is
Still a lot.
into encane they
Mara,
want
it's a lot.
12 bafuna umga 12 and above
Mara akayenzanga nix he didn't kill anyone
He did.
cisha bulala uthobe konje bani Thobe Jani Tebogo cisha bulala
Yeah,
Tebogo
well,
Nagara-
because there's a cliche, it means they must.
cisha bulala uTebogo like
na mina what I'm saying
ingosi yakhe yo
allegedly bafethu
this is what alleged
allegedly no what I'm about to
oh
say.
okay
Sicela kakhulu
oh
ay
Yo.
I must get a DJ name mfana
Ubamba deck 2 minutes nyana nje so guys on the break besidlala ngesound lapha yana Puso was trying something sakabona ngathi seka DJ yeah
Can with
dog-
the-
yeah mina ntangacaba kwenzakalani ne I don't only call you a DJ the day you actually use E350 that's the only time
obviously kina go reka ke lo nruta tjena
yeah awacaba boy no I don't mind yeah uses E350 CDJ 350 yeah
CDJ.
that's the one we use Mascabo Tasco
I wish I knew what that is, but okay.
it's a CDJ basically ne one thing I've noticed about DJing ne ngiyazi besikhuluma ngoJohn Wick mara sobuyela la you can't say you're a DJ usadlala nge DJ kuphela or a virtual DJ
No.
like you need to transition to all these CDJs, dog.
350k out but in a sink. Doesn't have,
Kaofela di CDJ di jalo, but then since I know
they don't have.
they don't have sync, dog. No, since I know di lali tsona. Since khale, dog. I want CDJ 100 until 1,000. Yeah, from 1,000 you phezulu, then you can get to sync. But you have to look for it. But now I don't use sync.
What do you use?
I jog.
You jog.
Awukazi ngibone ngilongenza kaso mang DJ.
What is it?
It's
Jog?
called jogging, yeah. You jog the wheel.
Jogging ra.
But now I wanna go back to learning how to play vinyl, boy.
Oh, vinyl.
Yeah. Because the last time kwenye ni Grootman military angifaka lapha eKaslam.
Yeah.
Bengifundisa nge-R&B. Yo.
The stuff.
I think it's hard, Joe.
When you DJ my piano only.
No, I play deep house, hip hop.
Eh.
Sometimes though, sometimes.
Better play hip hop today. We don't have a hip hop DJ.
And I won't play hip hop.
Nigga.
Baba, ishazema isebenzi vandag.
Gospel now, my DJ man.
Yes.
Aye. Uba DJ
Yeah,
gospel.
khona. Khona. Le outlet bekutshela ngale bengifundisa ngama vinyl. You can play gospel. Unokhala bambamzalo neke background kuze nyinto. Hey. La no Juda ngale background yini. Yo ina masimba le out yo. Shout out uGrootman konje Sesh.
Begala was he here today?
Nah, Sesh hlale eKaslam.
Oh.
That guy's been playing before nami ngiqala ukwazi ku CDJ yini jo. Ubekadlala nabo House Cat. If you know House Cat, shout out. Yeah, bekadlala nabo. Mar House Cat uphumile lokishini yena like flat. Yeah.
Ubayile.
Yeah, adlala bo Sentini mina.
Shout out to House Cats.
Yeah, Grootman lentana
Katla
yami.
kontlong.
Nikatla sendlini. So basically angazi ukuthi uCat ubuya but then the house is because he plays house.
Oh.
Yeah, so
Dude,
ikat
Maybe
yeah.
come like in Katleo.
No, it's not.
Karapila.
Colin. Kama like Colin.
Colin.
Yeah.
Maybe second in Katleo, you don't know.
Maybe ne. Yeah. I've never asked really. Yeah. I'll ask him though.
All right. KRB stuff. Spina.
Kinya le.
Ke bow out. Nzamo wa bone.
Oh, ntona. Eish.
Bow out.
Sahlonhlayela lona. Ungibiza ngobawa la.
W
Ubawa bekangashaya iThepa feed.
Ah, dire dio ke difetso fitla no abe Thepa
New Age Bow Wow.
Not power. I wanna fix it up. Ngawari soon izobe seyihleli ngenye indlela. Hey. Ngivale ngiyovakashela uJovis ma. Futhi yena akahambanga ngithi.
Awufuna ukujoin uSathi. Kulidle lonke once.
Khambani.
akahamba.
Akahambanga.
Bovuna hamba.
Amababa wami amaningi ahambile. I had like 3 barbers dog for every kind of style. Khona lo ngaziyo mangifuna ikhathi encane ngiyakuyi. Mangikhulisa inwele ngiyakulo. So uJovis bengifuna yenza yena ukuthi abe icut like yabo so bengicanga ukuthi uyahamba bese ngithukile marayi.
Ukhona. Shout out to Jovis.
Khale mbitsa kamang.
Ngudu.
Ngudu yeah.
Hot toast.
Hey, makashaya cut le yapari. Ayishaya cut. La lobona bo Philemon sebahlaka mina. Now uyabona ukuthi lidliwe.
Lidliwe.
Boy. Wena ukuta kajo.
The famous barber.
Where?
Maboning.
Oh. Maboning.
Yeah.
So every time you wanna cut your hair with Maboning, that is so dramatic.
Tsamakatix.
That's not dramatic. Jamaka Uber.
Malengaka for icut.
That is
Yo.
so dramatic.
Yeah. One thing I was told is good haircuts are not cheap.
Yeah, they're not.
Cheap
They're not.
haircuts are not good.
Yeah.
It's not even about the haircut, it's about the traveling.
But
I was
around
you
here.
pay for the experience. I want the massage you head. As him about tell ka mitsa utonya.
Oh, kibo. Khane ke mang eya ko Facebook advertising Sly Hancho. Oyicave la man. Spice Ball. Also ko bone the reels tsa out here. Oh, afede.
But that's dramatic.
Vezi manje ungazosilalela la wena uzosigwinye.
It's not
Shit.
boys. It's not dramatic. And one thing I hate go read when we cut good man kaufela, we all look the same. I'm sorry.
You look the same most, even how the baba.
Haircut, a famous barber. My haircut doesn't look like haircut there, but
Yeah, because the clothes are not this one.
it's not about the claw. It's not about the claw. That man unale.
It's about what?
Yeah, man. Arzwani.
It's about what?
Angithi leya out leya yacava ukuthi upusa akafuna ukususa riding. Maka ngikundala ikasi bazoyisusa riding. And
Why I bleach your pussy?
that's the
Awa.
That's the thing about the hood. Bawugunde kasi bayisusa le thing.
I'm gonna bleach my hair fade, yabo. I'm thinking white or grey. Dibo.
Usentina bekadayile. What happened to the tie?
Actually.
Did it die?
Actually. So it was only just for the trip.
Just for the trip.
Yeah.
Uye Cape Town ampunga ubuya right. But that tie was mpunga dog.
I wanted
Mpunga.
to see face to face. I wonder if being funny or not.
Babe mfanele as I saw the pictures, yeah.
Yeah, but it's not the same. I wanted to see.
Oh, like see.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm sure being funny was nice.
On that note, abantu abakhathi nan. Kendrick win award.
Yeah.
Win award best male hip hop artist.
Okay, question.
Aye.
Who can read Namakat? How does it?
I got
How does
But
But
the
I-
card list here is Kendrick.
Yeah, it's Kendrick.
Oh. Read is
it's
Kendrick.
You had to read between the lines. How? Get it? Siyawiva la nawenzani kanti. Siyawiva ndoda. How? Yeah, uwine kanjani award le?
Which award? BG.
Yeah, BT award best male hip hop artist.
Aye,
Over
that one,
Drake.
what you?
I understand Kendrick is better than Drake, vele, according to
with
me.
what?
According to me,
With what?
rap wise. But
He
they
didn't do
don't deserve
anything.
it. Yeah, he didn't do anything since 2024.
The last
Cabanga,
time
Joe.
was 2024.
Makes sense.
How?
But Drake would drop ile Ice Man Habib.
Ana I mean I think I can mamela my man.
I get one
But
or
the
the
point
man.
is,
No, I'm a hater,
the point
vele.
is he worked more than Kendrick this year or whatever.
I mean, Drake now is the biggest artist in the world, bruv.
Maraso shapi Michael Jackson anker.
Michael Jackson.
That's the
is
goal,
dead.
Joe. As a rapper, that's
Michael
the
Jackson is dead.
Yeah.
17 years ago.
Mara ama record akaba wa phuli
You
bonke.
don't care.
Oh.
But I think someone who can pull out those records
Is
is
Drake
Brown.
vele. Chris Brown.
if Chris Brown.
Chris
was-
Brown ankero graduate la na tabale music you know.
Yeah, what I'm
He's a
saying is-
He
doctor
went back
now.
to school.
If
Yeah, he's a doctor now.
if he was to put his energy, like his focus in his music,
Yeah.
it would be bigger than Drake.
Ayeke lokuchaya abafazi nokurip. Oh.
Wah, wah, wah.
That's all.
Clip that, Buffett. You must clip that and post it. Gallegate.
Because it's surprising, Joe. Untwana phela ngithi bekashaya uRihanna.
Yeah, but then they ask like, can we not forgive the nigga, boy? Can we just?
This is like saying let's forgive you ladies are man. Dog.
Yeah.
Let's forgive them all.
Forgive, yeah. Okay, we have to forgive Chup Chup futhi.
Yeah.
Ubuyele jail manje, ubuyele jail manje.
To be honest, we are bad.
Phumile.
Uphumile futhi?
To be honest, we are bad.
Thina baphethe siyamthanda uChup Chup kule country. Sakaphumile futhi.
Nah, Emona. Tuela taba jibruwa taba ya Chris Brown. Nagere. Rihanna forgive you.
Rihanna forgive.
Forgive you.
Ugcine ngibona Rihanna le Drake le nto le Chris Brown babua.
They're not gonna meet, yes, but
They do meet ko di awarding mara babuyi.
they do actually. When Chris performs, Rihanna and Chris. The last time I don't know, Kimming. The last time Chris Brown performed,
Yeah.
Rihanna was jamming to music, yeah, Chris.
Ntwana, if it
And
doesn't
they even made
listen.
music together.
It doesn't mean
After the whole scene, yabona.
Mara, it was before she reported the whole scene.
After Chris Brown was arrested, so go jail. After the community service, what, the entire thing.
This place is falling apart.
He's gonna watch that.
Oh no, Fetish. No, no, I get you, dog.
Forgive the nigga, boy. He made a mistake. He learned from it.
He learned?
He learned from it. He's a great father now.
Now.
When why don't you do you
Yeah?
Why do I not watch?
why don't you forgive your ex? Leia pulling easy back then.
Hey, Baba, forgive and forget.
Ow, maka.
I did forgive.
Ow.
I did forgive.
No, forgiving is easy. Forgetting is the problem.
Yeah, I'll never forget what she did to me. Yes, but I forgave her for the actions. We've even met a couple of times after our breakup.
Meeting for what?
Yeah, that's very
Now we
important.
just met. It's a thing of sihlangene kowe as
Sihlangene ko.
Sihlangene.
Sihlangene.
and then we just talk. Hi, how are you? How's life?
Someone is about to call me. Give me a phone.
Someone's about
Yeah.
to call you.
Yeah, angithi ngizwa la ithi yeah, hayi khululeka. Uyakhumbula ngenkathi zakudala. I-radio before bazofonela kana yeah, that's what just happened on my ebeziwa ngalezo inkathi. Ngalezo inkathi beziwa yo.
So you just
those-
Samamela Thuso ngama Sunday. You know Sundays are no longer the same now. Like uma ubuye bomnandini bowazi ukuthi usizokhuluma ngawo. Omunye wakena ubula fridge lapho se fridge ni. Uqeda ukungena. Hayi. Letha manje lantanga.
Thotsedi lampi
He
lampi.
does that, Yaqaba, even now. My mom listens to
He still does that, ne? Oh, tang mina my Sundays are no longer the same. Masina ready ekhaya anymore. Bayitshontshiwe.
Ifaka na TV.
TV, bruh.
Smart TV sasekhaya sakho smart no.
DSTV na le radio. what-
DSTV akuna yona ko high. We pay for
Why you want to buy
Netflix.
excuse? Put it on your phone.
Now we pay for Netflix.
That's
You know,
cute.
Amazon.
Pay for Netflix.
Showmax fit asayibhadala ngoba seyidiscontinue sesilapha ku DSTV stream.
Pay for
See,
the radio.
for?
Pay for the radio.
No, we're gonna buy a new radio, don't worry.
Who's radio? Who still has a radio, boy?
Honestly, hey?
Who does that?
You have a radio at home?
And
Like a stereo vele like.
niyayisebenzisa.
I lo bane sound system kuba mamele radio ngayo.
Oh, yi radio.
radio le
Leya.
enama aerial.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The antique one.
Yeah,
Ele milungan chef futhi nayo.
Babiza ngani? Umhlobo wenene.
For sure it's your grandma, na.
Yeah.
Now I used to listen to Kaya
Coolest
FM.
grandma in the world. You have Lolis grandma. Ah, God.
No one calls my
Ilaba bakhuluma isitsotsi.
My grandma mushangenye English enzima kabi.
Oh, ilaba bafundile ngenkathi zabo.
Angithi manje bayile wamcolonizer washada le emakhuweni.
Hayi wena.
Ambonelile bonus.
Oh, koko kuthi badile lo boy.
Ya nami ngibona kanje nginobu Van Riebeck nyana.
Skifland dog.
Okay, madod.
Skifland.
Utwana lina lipere kuwe.
Okay, yeah.
Kune hashe emuva kwendlu.
Banale
Lungithi bamangela abantu ukuthi man. Le hashe likhulumayo.
Damano una biro tsiking. Ero una biro damano.
Mina etonyang boy. Eish. Yeah.
But
But then guys, le episode lena kahle kahle besingafuna ukuyishuta. Mara
Can't
sesayishuta.
say that.
Nah, you know why ne? I'm on like
Yeah, like you
but
can't say
ibizwa
that.
ngani?
groove.
I'm on party mode dog like
Yeah.
sengimele set la ngidlala ngo11 vandag
For
dog.
me,
11
11
PM.
late.
Yeah.
Ay, why are you?
You'll be drunk.
And tomorrow I have a gig again go White House.
You'll be drunk, my guy.
Yeah.
At 11.
Who me?
Yes.
No, I don't get drunk. These days
Ow. We have an episode.
How about you don't
here,
get drunk, you get
Kutali.
sloshed?
Nah, listen guys ne. Kona I drunk ne. Bese khona lo awudlula khona ku drunk. Angisakhona ukudlula la like sengihlala ngida like and mangida I can do whatever I want. Nya DJ sexy yonke into nje like.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Hearing.
I can call someone who can confirm that, mara not today.
Apparently.
Apparently.
Kopela ngosport ngina ubarayiza.
Kana batho ba 90 days.
abantu abaya emakhaya bashaya amakhathi emaboningi abanamadatha kudla hotspot aqeda ushoot
I-boyfriend yakho ke le kushange please call. Kupa utso.
uthi ucabanga i-breadwinner yakho leyo your smile keeper akadatha
We all start somewhere, but page. This guy Jajan Dibra.
we
Life is not
understand.
easy.
we understand ama smile keeper
And wapapa ke tukito data noku bontsesa.
izinja
Yeah.
yawarekelela botlolo
Ah.
guys on that note wait before we on that note let me see if there's something else engakhuluma ngayo akuvela laba bentelesi lana
Intelesi king.
awuzibi intelesi
King intelesi.
intelesi ke megano mongwe mfana ye ke o niwang ke mfana o komwang ke mfana kana ke mang phakela umthakathi o amach yabona ntona ntsa ku intelesi yo
Ira and then. Muchin.
hayi
Ira.
intelesi ke ya ba re ke stunts finish
For real?
yeah bafuna isithunzi koma hey also no athi okay ngibuzeni into eyi1 why makathi asiyene wonke umuntu amlandela
Because he's the warrior and don't know.
nah
Have you seen his videos before?
la shaya abantu khona ngenduku loya mina mangamisile usithuba ngamshaya ngenduku
Have you seen his videos?
Angashaw ba?
kolesuthu
You? Emona
Masuda tswara
quality ya
dithunya
teng nkare o shootela ko back room. Abai umama Jane ucime ilight.
manje
His
i-podcast
videos before.
oh
Ayenza
yeah
yonke rationalist.
ntona like ezikezalani ne you know when you conform ucela wa conform that's why agcina sekaba ne quality so ntanga mo iqala nathi podcast ethu mongayibhekele episode 1 boy
That's better.
it's not the same even like from episode 1 to now and we had lights at the time that's the fact part besinama light
Where are they now?
esithengisile kuyadlala like khona le chirlebe sisipana nayo the previous the voice
Glaciers.
no
Previous the voice iki manka.
there was this the voice before the podcast shut down bukwe wakhe. So
Y'all shut down, ne?
yeah, we shut down the podcast and came back and rebranded everything. Now we're in Mbunu.
Ne?
Ah,
Close
no.
to getting back up.
Yeah, W. Konje mahlatsi say, mahlatsi na W.
W's in the chat.
W's in the chat. Man bafethu mamelane ne. Before we close. Kwa lo mntana lo ngimfuna ukuthi aze podcasting ne. And angikho happy. Uhlala nale ntwana le usonwabile.
Lo mpeli.
Voice.
Yeah.
Ah, lo yamele ngimlethe podcasting le ntwana.
Umbonile ukuthi Ghost Loop umpepile lo mntwana. Umbonile.
Ghost umpepile. Mara wemandla lena yo. Wemandla. Dumela ngitshethi. Alamntwana leya. Umpile skipping one rata yo. Rata. Nah, I don't watch streamers, dog. I don't have time for that. No, munye ngimfune. Nah, you said you're gonna connect us, dog. What happened?
Tshepi boys.
Shout out Tshepi, ne?
Yeah, Tshepi.
Tshepi. He's from Lesotho. Ke Tshepi, yeah.
Ah, Tshepi.
Ase Tshepe.
Cheapy damani, cheapy aspedi.
Yeah, bona ntona khona le behleli naye last week askisi. He had the same voice. Le yantangi hyper. You think there's this drug by Gwinya la eTeben. Iqo.
Go.
Yeah.
What is it? Ecstasy.
I don't know, sure. Baby zangiqo.
Above ecstasy.
Idliwe enye out leya every interview ya jive like.
He doesn't even smoke or drink. Kumkilani.
Kushibani igama la
He
leya.
doesn't do drugs.
Yeah, no, utsho iqo.
I never.
Ngiyakutshela.
Nah, never.
Yazi bathi
Never.
side effect leyo kujive. Eyeqo, bathi iqo yacabenzane ne. If was-stuck ingoma la kuwe. Ayisaphumi. Now you have energy. So iloku yakhala la. So every time umuntu makakhuluma nawo umuzi loku yajive nje wena.
So what happens wajago?
Are you on boy? It's like sniffing coke.
Uzothi uyobamba isinana lapha empedeni.
Hayi uzojive boy. Angithi manje uzoloku ushaya yabo bese maloku ushaya ukhohle ukhalela ngoma ujive. Yo. Konje bani igama le out leya?
Umkilani.
Ubani?
Umkilani.
Umgilane. I saw this interview dog like coach kodwa July. Uhlala phansi uyaphakama uyajive. I'm like what the fuck is going on with this guy? Hey, Joe, uyaringa lapha uyajive futhi. I'm like
but he doesn't do drugs, man.
it's not drugs, iqo akusi drug.
It's a what?
Be for
It's a
real.
pill dog like
It's a drug, nigga.
okay, umuntu uphuza amapilisi for HIV drug.
It's a drug, is.
Oh. So abantu abaphuza ama-ARV ama-drug.
Yeah.
Mara babi addicted ngoba default. On that note, let's close it.
I have an idea.
Womp, womp, womp.
Wait, before you close, Anton.
Sure.
I have an idea.
Sure.
I want to open a shop next to an abortion clinic. You know why? Because these women will live on an empty stomach.
Hi bafethu, thank you for watching. If you got this far, siyabonga. Subscribe yonkinto. Stay,